Nag is a famous spring and hill resort about 25 kilometers from Anantnag in the Breng Valley of South Kashmir. The name Kokarnag is derived from two words. Kokar means hen and Nag means spring. The spring divides into different channels which resembles the claws of a hen and giving rise to its name.
The site has been renowned for centuries. It is mentioned in Ain-e-Akbari, the courtier of Akbar's emperor. He praised its water for satisfying hunger, thirst, and aiding digestion. Locally, tradition refers to a spring called Papa Shudan Nag, which means Sin Kalin Singh Spring.
Historically, Kokarnag has served as a health resort due to the medicinal qualities of its water. During 20th century, under the command of Bakshi Ghulam Ahmad, the place was made a famous tourist destination with landscape gardens and developed infrastructure.
The crystal clear spring emerges from the foot of the pine-covered hill. It branches into multiple streams, creating unique patterns and soothing soundscapes. The flowing water creates cascades, pools, and channels that enhance the visual appeal. The sound of rushing water, cool mountain air, fragrance of flowers, and shades of ancient trees creates tranquil beauty. This combination of natural and design beauty gives Kokarnag a restorative and contemplative character.
Kokarnag occupies a special place in Kashmiri cultural memory. It symbolizes the valley's abundance of springs and gardens and reflects the tradition of Kashmir as a source of health, beauty and spiritual refreshment.
Botanical garden contains extensive lawns, flower beds, ornamental plants, rosy shrubs and majestic chinar trees. Surrounded by the forests and mountains of the Breng Valley, Kokarnag offers a panoramic views throughout the year. In summer and spring, the blooming flowers and lush green dominates the landscape, while autumn brings golden and crimson hues to the chinar trees.
Naga's beauty lies in the humorous condition of water, vegetation, mountains, and carefully designing landscapes.
Kokarnag is not merely a tourist destination. It's a historical landscape where we have natural hydrology, traditional beliefs, botanical richness, and scenic beauty. Its aesthetic value stems from the interplay of the pure spring waters, terraced gardens, and the mountainous backdrop of the Breng Valley, making it one of the most beautiful natural attractions in Kashmir. Thank you.